Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here we have a 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee high altitude package in four-wheel drive. It's got the high altitude package with the blacked out wheels and black badging. This thing's gorgeous. It's a very, very nice Jeep. Power lift gate. All the 4x4s come standard with a tow hitch, which is underneath this cover right here. Easy access, comes off pretty quickly. And on the high altitude package, it is an Overland with a high altitude package on it. So this has power lift gate and it's loaded. Has panoramic sunroof. Again, gloss black wheels. This also has a Harman Kardon sound system. Has the high intensity discharge headlamps, front and rear sensors for parking. It has backup camera. It has the cross path detection, lets you know somebody's next to you. It comes to a stop in an emergency if it needs to. And there you have the backup camera, navigation, panoramic sunroof, heated rear seats, ventilated front seats, and heated, of course, the Harman Kardon badging on the stereo system, 19 speakers. Well, let's turn that on for a quick second.
Friday Night Lights.
Awesome. 40,194 miles on this bad boy. Come see it at Buy Your Ride in Encino.